You want a Brava roof? Hey guys, Nick Riley here with Driftwood Builders Roofing out on this beautiful house in Tarrytown where we are replacing an asphalt shingle roof with Brava tiles. Now, a lot of our customers have been asking us about Brava tiles recently, and before you can install Brava tiles on the roof, there's one very important factor to keep in mind, which is the slope of the roof. So just to recap, the slope is the steepness of the roof. And so as you can see, I think this is 4 of 12 or 6 of 12, I can't remember. But then this section right here is very flat and not steep at all. And this section is only a 2 of 12 pitch. So according to Brava insulation requirements, the slope of the roof needs to be at least 3 by 12 pitch. So this section right here and all the gray is not steep enough to install Brava tiles. So fortunately, this section is on the back of the house. So we're not going to install Brava tiles there because we can't. And instead, we're just going to install TPO and then paint the TPO to match the color of the Brava tiles we're going to install on the rest of the roof. And yeah, so that's the number one thing you need to check before installing a Brava tile roof. And then a couple other things to keep in mind. So at a high level, there are 3 layers of a roofing system. The first is the wood decking underneath. The second is a synthetic felt paper on top of that. And then the third is the actual roof itself. And then the fourth, and only usually in the valleys, like those sections right there, is usually a layer of ice and water shield, which is just blue stuff. However, on Brava roofs, our installation process is a little bit more secure and a little bit stricter. So typically on asphalt shingle roofs, we install wood decking as a first layer, synthetic underlayment, and then ice and water shield only in the valleys. However, for Brava tile roofs, we do 2 things different. The first is instead of putting ice and water shield only in the valleys, we put it as a second layer of the roof. Now, according to Brava guidelines, you don't have to do this. In fact, Brava guidelines state you only need to put ice and water shield in the valleys. But since Guillermo has been doing this for quite some time, he always takes extra precaution. And so he installs ice and water shield across the entire roof as the second layer of the roof. And then the second big thing we do when installing Brava tiles is instead of using ice and water shield only in the valleys, or in the valleys at all, we bend metal. So we have metal flashing in the valleys, which is a more stringent protection for the Brava tile roof. So yeah, so essentially what happens is that we have this Brava starter. So this will go on top of the ice and water shield, and then we'll have one on each section, and then the Brava tile goes over it. And yeah, that's a Brava tile roof.